Now continue to blend the total mixture until you get a smooth paste. Do you know? Daily intake of this biotin drink can give you lots of benefits. Now it's time to enjoy your delicious mixed dry fruits banana shake. Serve and enjoy the shake. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Magical Beauty Hacks. Hope you are doing good. Have you ever tried 7 types of dry fruits banana shake, which is delicious, nutritious mixed dry fruits? It is a quick immunity booster. Drinking this banana shake daily can offer several benefits. It improves our scalp health. Let's not wait. We'll get into the process. Ingredients we require are: in a bowl, add 5 almonds, 7 to 10 black raisins, 4 cashew nuts, 2 dates, and add 3 to 4 veggies or anjeer. Take handful of pumpkin seeds, or you can add 2 spoons of pumpkin seeds. Have 4 walnuts. Finally, add 1 spoon of chia seeds. And now soak the dry fruits overnight. Pour enough water to cover them, and this will help soften the dry fruits and make them easier to blend. We can add 4 spoons of oats, and it's totally optional. The one who have habit of eating oats in the morning can try this. Now soak the dry fruits overnight by covering with a proper lid. After soaking all the night, next day add all the dry fruits along with water into a blender. Make sure to peel off the almond skin, because the reason is the peel contains enzyme inhibitors that can make digestion harder. Removing the peel after soaking can make the almonds more digestible and enhance nutrient absorption as well. Add 1 banana into this mixture. Now continue to blend the total mixture until you get a smooth paste. Do you know? Daily intake of this biotin drink can give you lots of benefits. It promotes the hair growth, strengthens the hair, provides essential fatty acids, and improves the scalp health as well. It also moisturizes the hair. It is rich in antioxidants also. Now it's time to enjoy your delicious mixed dry fruits banana shake. You can add honey for more sweetness and a pinch of ground cinnamon for the taste. I generally prefer drinking it without sugar, as banana itself very sweet. Serve and enjoy the shake. That's essential to maintain a balanced diet and follow a good hair care routine for optimal results. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting beauty hacks and tips, as well as comment below about your beauty issues and let me create the content on it. Keep supporting. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.